Shorty had done left me, well she must have caught a freight train and gone to Tennessee and left me way down here in Mississippi. Well, I tell you, baby, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna catch a freight train. I'm coming to get you. I got the freight train blues.